In the following question, the question states, what is the relative molecular mass Mr of CuSO4.5H2O? Now remember, Mr is simply, I need to just sum up the individual atomic masses of all the elements. So I'm going to start off with copper, which is 64 in the periodic table, the atomic mass. Sulfur is 32. Then I have 4 oxygens. So oxygen in the periodic table is 16. And that would be multiplied by 4 because I have 4 oxygens. Now, if you look at .5H2O, it's a hydrated salt. So what this 5 over here means is that there are 5 separate water molecules. So I have to sum up the atomic masses of 5 separate water molecules. One water molecule has 2 hydrogens and 1 oxygen. So that's 1 plus 1, that's 2 hydrogens. Plus oxygen is 16. So I just need to multiply the Mr of water by 5. Always remember that this .5H2O is a separate thing. Although it's part of the molecule, it's a hydrated salt crystal. But always remember, when you're adding up the atomic masses, treat the 5H2O as a separate thing and then add this to the original Mr. And you just need to sum all of these atomic masses up. And the answer that you get when you sum all of them up is going to be option D. It's going to be 250. So the molecular mass Mr is going to be 250.